how to manage incoming requests on Cash App. Now Cash App has a feature that will allow you to request money to someone, and it also has a feature that will allow someone to request money from you, but you can choose to enable or disable this setting. Now if you turn off the incoming request, you will also not be able to request money to others. As a result, others will not be also able to request money from you. So it goes both ways, right? So for this, first of all, launch Cash App and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, and after you've done that, simply scroll down, and right here you'll find the option that says security and privacy. Just tap on it and scroll all the way to the very bottom, and here you'll find the option that says request incoming request. So it says allow others to request money from me. So if you select allow all, anybody, even someone who's not on Cash App with you, if they know your cash tag or your email, they will be able to request money from you, and if you approve, the money will be deducted from your account. But you can also set this to contacts only, so only people who are in your contacts on your phone app will be able to request money from you. Or if you want to completely disable those, you can simply go ahead and then turn off requests, and no one will be able to request money from you. And this is just how you can manage the incoming request feature on your Cash App. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.